Church Bell 133. Be content, part 3. We can recollect the previous story. One officer who felt ill and he had operation and spent 7 lakhs, but the codal provision allowed him only 2 lakhs, so he could claim only 2 lakhs. But the officer wanted to get only 7 lakhs. He was very angry against the person restricted the amount of 2 lakhs. He wrote a letter against that officer restricted the amount of bill claim. He went to the higher authority for transfer. But on the other hand, the higher authority gave him a letter telling that he was suspended because of bribe. He was shocked. On the previous video, we will watch all these story. Now we are continuing the third part of the story. Be content. Contentment is hard to attain. Even the Apostle Paul, the hero of the faith, had to listen to be content. Philippians chapter number 4, verse 11. It was not a natural character trait for him. For Paul to write that he was content in every situation is truly amazing. At the time of his writing, he was in jail in Rome, charged with sedition, treason, and other serious crimes. He had appealed to the higher court, Caesar himself, without other legal recourse and friends in high places. He had to wait for his case to be heard. It seems as if all had the right to be an impatient, unhappy person. Instead, he wrote to the Philippians to say that he had learned to be content. How did he learn this? One step at a time until he could satisfy even in uncomfortable environment. He learned to accept whatever came his way and to receive with thanks whatever help fellow Christians could give. And most important, he recognized that God was supplying all he needed. Contentment is not natural for any one of us. The competitive spirit in us drives us to compare, to complain, and to covet. Few of us are in predicaments such as Paul's, but we all face difficulties in which we can learn to trust God and be content. Pray. O Lord, give me the grace to be content with what you give to me. Thank you. No more than that, let me rejoice in you, all saints, for it is your choice. Contentment is not possessing everything, but giving thanks for everything you possess. Thanks a lot. Let us see next video.